So let's start. I haven't you watched the the first video that I made? I just made it. And just wait. All right. What happened to the data? What happened? Okay. Let's play this instead. Hey! Get this up! What happened? Alright. I don't need anything. I have no. Give me. I have no money. Hey, those are my money. I will shoot you because you steal my money. Give me my money. Hey, that was mine. Haha, that's what you get. Everybody show it. Okay. Oh, this is the best. Wait. Yeah, the best thing ever. I like control. Michael, you here? Hey, I just got. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? What is this? Whoa, why is there ads? Okay. Ah! No! I hate this. Oh. Hey! Yay! No! I'm going to lock it because I have an answer. Oh, I post. Oh my god! Ew! Dude! Oh, can hurt like this. Oh, can hurt like this. No. That's something that can't be. How did you do it? Isi-shoot ko ang boyfriend ko. Joke lang. be, nag-cheat yung boyfriend ko.
Ha?
Oh, dito. Umaiyak ako. Yung girl, umaiyak ako. Nag-cheat yung boyfriend ko, be. Dito. Ito siya. Ito siya. Ito siya. Be. 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 Ito siya. Boyfriend ko. Ay! Perfectly. Kudede. Be, nahulog na! Be! Ah!
Huwag kasi yan.
Hindi ko ginagawa. Aray ko. I'm having fun. But you're no TF, right? No. No. I-remove ko na to yung boyfriend ko. Maghahanap na lang ako ng iba boyfriend, be. Ayan. Okay, let's play something. Wait, no, not that! Not that! Roblox again! Play to. $16. Yung sagot! Ano ka ba? Oy. Tipon. Pwede yan parang data. Oh my god! Hey! Okay guys, this is happening to me. Why? Roblox, why? I'm just going to add to chat or call my friend. That's not. Wait. I have an idea. Group chat.
Dam. So, hindi ka gulat. Ba't ka gulat?
Wala lang.
Meron na, sabi na, meron ng asma. Buka minsan labi na. Na kahit hindi ka naman nag-shoot. Nandun na lahat yung naman yung nag-shoot. Parang sino
Okay. Namang. These are. Who else? I forgot. Oh, I have more. I have 4.
pinapanig na Squid Game. Pero papatayin ko lang na laro. Ayun na. Diba yung napapagaan sa silo, maglalang sila ng silo, napapagawa sila. Diba yung butuhan, parang hinihintay pa yung ano eh. Yung zombie. Wala pa ganun.
B. B. Ano English ng B? B. Hmm?
Kasi din daw nila pinanood yung Final Destination. Nakalabas. Kalabas pa yung sino. Pag napanood mo yun, nakakatrauma ka. Nakatrauma kasi yun. Nagpatak ng tubig. Ayusin mo na yun. Walang dahilan yung matulas ka. Ganun kasi yun. Yung nalalagwag na piso. Mga patak ng tubig. Dapat nagdali lang. Magandang sumakay ng roller coaster. Ayan, nalagwag ka sa ganyan. Ganda na. Napalig mo.
GC. May ginawa ko GC. Ay. May ginawa ko GC. Hey, online.